Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Lava mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Lava mobile display setting. And today video title is guys how to update, how to change Lava mobile display and font size. Friends, you want to update, you want to change Lava mobile font and display size. So how to change one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your Lava mobile phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your device. So friends, scroll it. Friends, click here display setting. After on display setting friends, you can use dark mode setting, auto brightness mode setting, night light mode setting. Friends, you want to change Lava mobile wallpaper, you can change wallpaper from your. So friends, scroll it. Friends, you want to show network speed on status bar, you can show network speed. After on font size friends, you want to change Lava mobile, you want to update your font size. Then there are four size friends, you can see. First small, second friends default, third large, and guys last is largest size you want to use. So you can increase and you can change. Display size friends, display size we have three size: small, default, and large. Friends, you want to use Lava mobile display small size, so you can decrease your display size. You want to increase Lava mobile display size, so you can increase display size. And friends, you want to set Lava mobile display default size and font default size. So friends, you can use your Lava mobile default font size, default display size. So right side friends, you can increase, and left side friends, you can decrease Lava mobile display and font size. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to change display and font size in Lava mobile. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching.